Tingnan natin kung sino ang nandito sa ibabaw ng kabubungan. Okay? Abangan natin. Mag-hunting tayo mga guys. Meron akong nakita. There. Kita niyo yan? Diba? Shh! Come back! Come! Don't go far, ha? Look at that. Oh. Yan. May hunter. The dog hunter. Ay, nako. Ayan na siya. Ayan, oh. Akala mo lang namamasyal sa ibabaw ng kabubungan. Oh. Shh! Come here. Come here. Come back, Luna. Shh! Come back. Very curious. She's like that. Gusto niya lahat explore. Yan. Ganyan siya. Let's see. Come back, Luna. Luna, come back. Come here. Let's go. Tama na yan. Luna the Explorer. Shh. Come back, Loons. Come here. Let's go. Enough. Shh. Luna. Oh, she went up. Luna. Tan taran 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 tan taran taran. Good job. Look at this girl. How is it? How is it? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy? Are you enjoying going around on the roof? Chur, chur, chur.